Hello YouTube friends and followers and Milwaukee tool people. This is a Milwakee Orbital Sawzall. This is my first experience with a Sawzall. I'll be using it today to saw up this wood pile and throw it away. So anyway, here's the Milwaukee Sawzall. There's a speed feature on it and has a safety, and there's the speed feature. So anyway, to run this thing, hit the trigger, starts on. So for example, I want to saw through some scrap wood with it here. Watch how fast this thing cuts through this wood. Reciprocating blade. This has made this job very tolerable. I'm trying to get this wood thrown away, and this Sawzall has been really helpful. It's too heavy for me to lift by myself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.